Hello, students. Welcome back to my class. Today is Friday. Yay! Today is a weekend, and today is August 27. My name is Teacher V. All right, so now let's start with our lesson. Here is the part 2 of our lesson last Tuesday. Listen, speak, and say. The title of our lesson today is Switching the order, numbers in addition. Switching the order, numbers in addition. So that is our lesson for today. Please listen, speak, and say. Listen very carefully so you can answer the activity. All right, now let's go to the next page. Okay, here, 1.3. Switching the order or numbers in addition. Order of numbers in addition. Okay, let's have figure 1. 3 spoons and 2 forks. Add them and count. All right? The sum is 5. So we have 3 plus 2 equals 5. The sum is 5. So you are going to add them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The sum is 5. Okay? 3 is the ogin, 2 is the aden, 5 is the sum. Here is figure number 2. 2 forks and 3 spoons. Add them together and count. The sum is 5. 2 plus 3 equals 5. 2 is the ogin. 2 is the ogin. This one. 3 is the aden. 5 is the sum. So if you add all of this, the sum is 5. Okay? So when we switch the ogin and the aden around in addition, the sum remains the same. Okay? So if you switch, say for example, therefore, 3 plus 2. So if you switch it, if you go put it in the other side, you can either write it 2 plus 3, then the answer is still 5. Okay, the answer is still 5. The answer of this is also 5. So all are the same if you switch the numbers. Okay, that's it. So if you switch, or you can say, let's say 1 plus 2, or you either write it 2 plus 1. Sorry, or 2 plus 1. Okay, that's it. So you can do switching and the sum will remain the same. So this is called switch. Okay, switch. You have to switch the numbers. All right, so now let's see if we can have another one. Let's say they have another example. Figure number 3. 5 plus 1 equals 6. 5 roses here plus this one with no color is 6. Total of 6. All right. Figure number 4. 1 plus 5 equals 6. So if you add all of this is 6. If you add all of this is 6. All right? So they just switching each other. They switch. Okay. When we switch the ogene and the aden around in addition, the sum remains the same. Therefore, 1 plus 5, or you can either write 5 plus 1, the answer will be 6. Okay? They are the same, or they have the same answer. Oh, sorry. It should be 5. It should be 6. And this one also, it should be 6. So they have the same answer. Okay? You can also write this one. Let's say, for example, 7 plus 2, or you can write it, or you switch it in by writing 2 plus 7. That's it. 7 plus 2 equals 2 plus 7. Okay? So that is switching. All right. So when we add two numbers, even if we change the order of the numbers, the sum remains the same. Okay. Now, write the number sentences and switch the order of the numbers in addition. Okay. In figure on the left, 1 plus 2 equals 3. In the figure of the right, 2 plus 1, then 3. Therefore, 1 plus 2 equals 2 plus 1. Okay? So, this is called switching numbers. Switch the ogene and the adding. Okay. Because if you add 1 plus 2, it's 3. 2 plus 1, it's 3. So, they have the same numbers. Okay. So, let's say example number 1. Okay, this one. 2 boat plus 3, right? 3 boats plus 2. So the same answer equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a 5. So they just switch this one. 2 plus 3. 3 plus 2. Okay, that's it, students. So the same. So that is called switch. All right. So you have to answer number 2. Try to answer number 2 like this. Okay, count the number of the airplanes. Okay, here is another one. Solve each sum and write the number sentences in addition. Switch the order of numbers. Okay, please read the instruction very carefully for you to answer the questions. Okay, here is the example. 1 plus 5 equals 6. 5 plus 1 equals 6. Therefore, 1 plus 5 equals 5 plus 1. Okay, here is an example. So you are going to answer 1 until 6, and this is the example. Okay, 2 plus 5 equals 7. 5 plus 2 equals 7. Therefore, 2 plus 5 equals 5 plus 2. All right, so you try to answer 2 up until 6. This one. I'm sure you can do it, students. Good luck. So this is on page number 64. Okay, here is an example. 3 plus 6, 9. 6 plus 3, 9. Therefore, 3 plus 6 equals 6 plus 3. Okay, this one should be given here. All right, this one. So that is the answer. Okay, so try to answer this 3 up until 6. Okay, here is another one also. 2 plus 5, 5 plus what? The order numbers in 2 plus 5 can be changed to 5 plus 2. Say for example, 2 plus 5 equals 5 plus 2. Here is an example, number 1. 1 plus 7 equals 7 plus 1. So you are going to switch it, all right? 1 plus 7, 7 plus 1. Number 2, 4 plus 3 equals 3 plus 4. Okay, so make sure, try to answer 3 up until 8, students. Okay, that's it. So I think we're done with our lesson. I hope you did, you get or understand our lesson. This is the end of part 2. Thank you so much for listening. We'll see you again next time. My name is Teacher V. Bye bye, students.